Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare keto split moong dal soup. Ingredients for keto split moong dal soup: 1 cup of split moong dal with skin, around 12 numbers of garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper crushed, 1 lemon, 1 onion, around 30 grams of butter, around 150 grams of pollock, salt to taste. You have to wash the pollock thoroughly, remove the hard stem and only take the leaves and cut into small pieces. This is part of keto diet. Those who are following keto diet, they can prepare this soup and have for lunch. We have peeled the skin of garlic cloves and we are grating that one. Cut the pollock into small pieces and we cook the split moong dal in pressure cooker for 5 whistles. Chopped the onion and grated the garlic. We are ready to go. Keep the pan in flame. Add butter. There is no carbs in this one. So we will wait till the butter got melted. Add the grated garlic. Chop the onion. So we're going to add the pollock. So before having the keto diet, just have a suggestion from doctor whether you can do the keto. We're going to add the required salt. Cooked now. We're going to add the boiling water with this one. This soup is not clear consistency, it's of thick consistency. We will now leave this to boil. So it's boiling now. We are adding the split moong dal, cooked one, with this. You can check the salt if required. You can add at this stage. So this is thick consistency as I told before. So we're going to add the crushed black pepper with this. So switch off the flame. Then you can add the lemon juice. Keto split moong dal soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.